So I'm sure someone out there would ask, how do I build a skincare routine for acne prone skin? I'm here to tell you that you can build an anti-acne skincare routine. Okay, I know that a lot of you have routines already. You have daytime, nighttime routine, but you can build a routine specifically for your acne. Okay, your anti-acne skincare routine. Now, how do you do this? Hi Jennifers, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I'll be sharing some tips with you that you can use to clear out your acne very fast. Consistency is the real deal here. No matter the product you're using, if it's budget friendly or if it's high-end product, all you need to have is consistency. If you have consistency, trust me, the product will work. Okay, so make sure that you're consistent with your anti-acne skincare routine. The first thing you should do is to have a gentle cleanser. Remember that you're fighting acne, and you're fighting acne causing bacteria, so you don't have to go in with a very harsh cleanser. What are cleansers for is just to clean the surface of your skin, to make sure that there are no debts on your skin. So why do you need a harsh cleanser when you are going to be having treatments like serums and toners? Why do you need a harsh cleanser? Ensure that you have a gentle cleanser, a non-comedogenic cleanser. Cleansers that will not clog your pores, but cleansers that will open up your pores and speed up these treatments for you. Okay, like I said earlier, I am not going to be giving you recommending products for you. I may do that in another video because I don't want this video to be too long, but ensure you're using a very gentle cleanser. That's number one. After cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser, you go in with step 2, which is the treatment proper. Okay, I would advise you to use a serum for your treatment because serums are actually very fast. Get a benzoyl peroxide serum. Okay, apply it onto your face, a very cleansed skin. Apply it onto your face, or if you don't want to use this, you can use salicylic acid serum. Okay, so it's either you're using a benzoyl peroxide serum or you're using a salicylic acid serum on your face after you have finished cleansing. These active ingredients will work on active acne, active pimples, and it will also prevent new ones from coming. So as you're working on this already existing acne and pimples on your face, you're also preventing new ones from coming out. Okay, now the third step is using a moisturizer. I'm sure some of you will be confused. Oh, so if I have an oily or acne prone skin, why do I need a moisturizer? Yes, you need a moisturizer because you're going to be using active. Remember, if you're using any active on your face, you must use a moisturizer. Whether you have an oily skin or you have an acne prone skin, it doesn't matter. Ensure you have a moisturizer, an oil-free moisturizer. Hydration is essential if you're treating acne. You must hydrate your skin, so therefore you must use a moisturizer, a very good non-comedogenic moisturizer and an oil-free moisturizer. Now, the very important step is sunscreen. Don't ever skip sunscreen if you are fighting acne or you're trying to treat your acne. You cannot skip sunscreen because you're using actives, so you must have sunscreen, okay, for it to work. If you're using retinoids in your routine, you cannot even skip sunscreen because retinoids will make your skin dry and it will also make your skin sensitive to sunlight, so you cannot even skip sunscreen. Don't even try it. If you skip sunscreen, then what are you doing? What are you doing? So guys, stick to this routine I just gave you. Okay, use a gentle cleanser, then go in with your active, either benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Use serums. After using your active ingredients on your skin, then you can go in with any moisturizer of your choice. Like I said before, after moisturizing your face, then you can go in with SPF, okay, for protection. Follow this skincare routine I just gave you. Do it for 4 weeks and come back. Drop a comment and tell me how your skin is doing right now. It will definitely work for you. If you follow this routine I just gave you consistently, it will definitely work for you. So that's it, guys. There you have it, your anti-acne skincare routine. Okay, and if you use these treatments, these ingredients I listed out for you, you're good to go. So let me know if you have used any of this treatment before, or you're currently using any of these ingredients in your routine, and let us know how it is going. Let us know how each treatment worked for you. So if you've watched this point, please subscribe to this channel. If you're new, join the family. Ensure you like this video and share this video as well. I'll see you in my next one. Stay glowing.